Hey guys, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're here with another video. And this time we have a couple of cases for the S26 Ultra, and it is from Crave. Now, before we get into that, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you find anything valuable from this review, please don't forget to subscribe. We really appreciate it, and thank you for watching. Well, you know what time it is. If you get a new phone, Crave is the one that you are going to surely use to protect your phone. And once again, they provided these three cases for us to review. And you know the drill. We are going to, unbox it. We're going to dress up our phone, and we're going to test to see if it's got good material, if the MagSafe works very well, and if there's any, obstructions when they put in the charging, wireless charging. We're going to test all that. And this company has cases for all types of phones: Google, Apple, anything. And usually they're very inexpensive. In this case, each of them, and they have about 6 or 7 colors, are $18.99 on Amazon. So you're gonna get a quality experience with a very inexpensive price. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox one of these. And one of my favorites we're gonna unbox is the green colorway, and this is the forest green. So once again, these are Crave cases on Amazon for $18.99. Now, what's good about these cases is that it gives you premium protection from drops or scratches. They're very compact and have a low profile, so it's very grippy, and it keeps your pockets in check, so it's not bulky. And it has tactile buttons for your crisp, distinct press, and they all have a lifetime warranty. And it's specifically designed for the S26 Ultra. I repeat, for the S26 Ultra. So don't forget that. Don't make the mistake like I've done in the past and get the wrong case for the wrong phone. All right, and that was the unboxing. Now, one thing you're gonna notice immediately is that it has kind of this dual layer color. So it has a dual layer of protection. So not only do you have the forest green, you have kind of like a darker green inside. And as you can see, that pattern kind of in a hexagonal shape, triangles and all that. This is for the drop protection to absorb all of the drop, if you do so. And it protects your glass back from cracking. So that's very cool and neat. And if you just, you can pull it apart and you can see that here's the wire MagSafe sticker. And then you also have this extra sheet of protection. So you got the polycarbonate here, and then you got this part right here, which keeps it from just forming in the wrong way to where it cracks. So you got that. So the polycarbonate does keep it, or TPU, that's what it is, TPU. TPU protection. All right, so now that we have this case, let's go ahead and get our S26 Ultra and put it on. Now, with this, you can kind of put it on a multitude of ways, but I usually start from the bottom. And now we have it dressed. So take a look and gander. Now I think this is a very cool colorway. If you're from Tulane, these are pretty much your colors. The green wave, that is. You have the blue inside, and then you have the green. So it gives you a nice effect. And you can see the Crave nomenclature down there, engraved in there. All right. And then you got the tactile buttons. Oh, they're very crispy. Oh yeah. Yeah, no problems here. And then you got precise cutouts for your antenna, and you got precise cutouts down here for your USB-C charging port, your speaker, and then also your stylus. Now let's test to see if that stylus comes out pretty good. And you see there's a good cutout, so let's do it together. Pretty simple and easy. Pretty simple and easy. So once again, no obstruction from your stylus. Tactile buttons in check. Cutouts precise. And then you have this excellent protection for your cameras. And as you can see in that effect, that they are adequately covered. And then also, when you're looking at the protection for your glass, I do have a glass protector on there, so the lip is still raised, so you're still going to get that protection. So with all that being said, this is pretty good for the price of less than $20. All right, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna test the MagSafe. So we typically, with other companies or third-party companies that are not Apple and they have MagSafe, tend to be a little bit weaker on the magnet side, to where it's there, but it's not necessarily working as it should be. But you know, since we're here and we have it, we're gonna test it. So let's test the MagSafe adhesiveness. All right, let's find it. It's there somewhere. Okay. All right, so where I have like a wallet that's not necessarily built for the Samsung camera housing right here. So you're gonna have to kind of angle it. So as you can see, I do have the MagSafe here. So let's test to see how well it stays on. Ooh. So with a light little jab, it fell off a little bit. Now I will say that the MagSafe does work. Let's try it from this angle. Okay, so from that angle, not pulling from the actual MagSafe wallet, it does its job. So it is adequate MagSafe. Now it's not the strongest, so you know I wouldn't be dropping it from a tower and trying to jake it really fast to where because it'll really come off. So let's just say it's adequate. So, but it's there and it's an added bonus when you get this case and it's only $20. So that's pretty cool. So MagSafe, I would give it out of 10, I would give it a 7. Just being real. All right, so the last of the tests we're going to perform with this case is the wireless charging case test. So we have our wireless charger here, and let's go ahead and put it on and see if it has any obstructions. And as you heard, it doesn't have any obstructions. So you have a really solid case and it does protect it. And not only that, if you get on one of these wireless charging cases, you do get fast charging. So that's a good thing about Samsung, it's very compatible and you get fast charging with, not so great of cable chargers, like at least 45 watts, you'll get great wireless charging. So overall, all in all, I would give this case with the price range of $18.99 on Amazon. Solid protection, MagSafe protection, MagSafe accessibility, wireless charging capabilities, no obstruction, great precise cutouts. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. And it's really just up to you to pick whatever color you want, but you're definitely gonna get an excellent case for the great price, once again with Crave. Now, as an added bonus, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other colors. I do have the red colorway. This one is called Berry, so you can get that one on Amazon. And this one is just straight up the black colorway. I like the way it looked online, so I just wanted to see what it looks like now. So just give us a little patience here. We're just gonna look and have a little fashion show with our new cases. Now, as I said before, this is the berry color. And once again, you get all of the same protections for the same great price, just a different color. Let's go ahead and put that on. And voila. So this is what it's gonna look like when you have your blue S26 Ultra and you got a red case on there. So not bad, not bad. And you can actually see, let's see. Now you can see the MagSafe right here through this case. So that's pretty cool. Because it's white sticker, I'm assuming. But yeah, pretty dope. And you got the dual layer protection in the 2 colors. Let me know what you think about the berry colorway. All right, and then last but not least, we have the black one. And they come in these nice Crave boxes. Easy to open, easy to use. Put on and go. All right, voila. Very nice. This is very professional looking. So if you're an executive on the go, this is a nice color for you to pick. All for 18 bucks. Now, one of these days, they're going to put these cases, in stores, and they're going to make a killing. Because if you go to the stores right now, like Best Buy or, T-Mobile, they charge like 30 bucks for cases, and they usually not as great as these cases they can get on Amazon. So I don't know the issue with that, but go ahead and grab you a Crave case or two. You can literally buy 3 cases and still come out cheaper than one of the cases of those so-called cases that provide the best protection for your S26 Ultra. Go ahead and just grab you one of these. It's so simple, it's so easy, just do it. All right, comment below what was your favorite color. If there's any other colors online that you suggest that are better than these colors, let me know. Otherwise, thank you for joining Juleon Tech Reviews for another case review for the S26 Ultra. We got more to come. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.